Hi there fellow travelers around the world, welcome to Fast Moon Media. Hi, this is Vinny and welcome to Fast Moon Media. Here are some details of my biography so you'll get to know me. 5 things that I can't live without. My bike, running shoes, vitamins, mobile phone and DSLR as I take souvenirs a lot. I really like listening to jazz and classical music, early music like Renaissance and Baroque. I like traveling a lot. Asia has always been my favorite destination. I like reading history, ethnography, and language books. I watch movies just to have a leisure since I spend most of my time outdoor. I'm also attracted with Asian food. Amazing food with a special mention of bún chả Vietnam, kari ayam of Malaysia, khao soi in Thailand, and okonomiyaki of Japan. I have been to many accommodations like hostels, B&B and homestays as guests. I really like backpacking because I tend to move easily with this style of traveling. I'm here in the flower market and just figure out, I'm not really sure because I saw the name, it's called Rattanakosin, but I'm not really sure if that's the name. But I asked the lady here selling her street food over here, very nice lady, and she told me that this is the flower market. It's much easier because if they're gonna give me a Thai name, it's gonna be very difficult for me to pronounce it. But anyway, I'm gonna give you a tour of this flower market because it reminded me of the flower market back in the Philippines, and it's giving me a vibe of the Dangwa. So I'm gonna give you a quick tour here. Yeah, it's giving me a vibe of Dangwa and a combination of actually Dangwa and Divisoria. So obviously you see tons of flowers, but you can find also some areas selling other flower accessories apart from flower. So I'm gonna walk just on the side because this is not so safe walking here just beside the street, so I'll have to go up all the way to the walking path. So I'm gonna show you on my right side. You see tons of flowers over here. Beautiful. So if you're up for flowers, this is the best place to visit. It's a flower market here near Praratchawang. I hope I pronounce it right. I guess they're selling flowers in bulk. So if you buy in bulk, probably you get more discount. Flowers are very colorful. Vendors were told to close their stores, so I'm not really sure if there's a new decree that says that they can open at certain hours, probably like 6 in the evening onwards all the way to 10 p.m. because there is a curfew here. So despite of the soft lockdown, curfew is still imposed here in Bangkok. So, and it's not only exclusive in Bangkok, but it's exclusive in the entire island. So here, that's what you're seeing on the side. Basically on the other side is also the same thing. You see? Same area selling their flower. And yeah, just a quick cultural context. Flowers are pretty much consumed here in Thailand because number one, Thailand is a Buddhist country and they offer and they render, especially during prayers, through flowers. So it's not just intimate prayers, but they render also flowers to thank their God. So that's one practice here in Thailand. So if you see, if you've been here in not just in Bangkok, but even in some places in Thailand, at Chiang Mai, at Chiang Rai, even small regions, you will observe tons of locals offering really beautiful flowers. So that's just one cultural context that we can witness here in Thailand. So beautiful, nice way of also exploring their culture. And I always see this, I don't know what it's called, but it's probably called, I don't know, marigold. They're frequently used here in Thailand, and it comes in different presentations. So they have different presentations of flowers over here. Like this one, they come in bouquets. And look at this one. See, the shape of marigold. I'm not really sure if this is a marigold flower. But look at this one. Lovely flowers on the right. And look at that. See, tons of flowers on, like everywhere here. Just amazed by this, really. Flowers being sold here in this flower market. And yeah, they've got this. Look at this one on the top. I don't know what it's called, but they usually put the flowers in there. They just stick the flower over there in the styrofoam. Because I did witness one Songkran here a few years ago. It was 2 years ago. So I was in one of the stations called Rattanakosin. I just figured out today because I saw my old video. It came out. I updated my iPhone from 50 gigabyte to 200 and now 2 terabyte. And I'm quite surprised too that some of the videos that I took back in 2017, it came out. So nice job Apple for having this app, and they have this backup where you can really where you can store your files, and they automatically store your even your previous files. So when you need them, you can access this files. So probably this is the end of the flower market. Actually, it looks like there's a market on the left side. Anyway, let's try to explore this area. Currently here in Wat Po, just arrived here in Wat Po, and this is one of the iconic temple here in Bangkok. I was here 2 times. The first time was back in 2018 when I had my Southeast Asian trip, and he came back, I think that was last year. Yeah, so he came back with my mom, So I decided to came to pass by here to actually show you this beautiful clock tower just behind me over there. As you can see, I didn't really notice this since I've been riding back and forth here this past few weeks, but I don't know, for some reason I didn't notice this after the clock tower. I can see it from afar because of the light probably, so that's the reason why I get to notice it just a couple of minutes ago. So that's the reason why I came to stop by. Anyway, I am just beside the Wat Pho. Wat Pho is one of the celebrated temples. I think the Emerald Buddha is kept here. That's why this complex is really well maintained. As you can see, there are scaffoldings trying to really maintain all this ornate design on my left side. Look at that. And of course, this is part of the UNESCO Heritage Site, this Wat Pho. There's some small information and details over here behind me. So, opens at 8 a.m. closes at 5 p.m. every day. Well, except this past 2 months because they started to close this and went back to 2 months ago. So these are the important sites that you're gonna see if you're gonna go inside this complex. Beautiful. Decided to eat here. So I just got actually my ramen. So this is what I've been telling you. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, let me see. This is the ramen that I ordered. I've been really ordering this since the past 3 days. I got also got my gyoza. It's really yummy. There you go. So got my ramen and my gyoza. This has been my favorite this past few weeks. And let's start with the ramen. Really good. very savory. You might be wondering where I am right now. One of the soy here in the flower market, eating my dinner. This is my usual nomadic setup. Whenever I feel hungry, I would really stop and grab my food, which is interesting because you will discover a lot of things around the area. And this district, I've been really in and out of this district. I've discovered a lot of really many things about the area. And flower market is just one of the area that I really discovered. It's quite interesting. It reminds me of Divisoria. So way organized compared to But the vibes basically Divisoria and Gangwon. Let's try this. I'm gonna head back home. So just finished my dinner and yeah, I'm gonna set up. Once again, this is Vinny. For more update and content of my journey, please don't forget to subscribe to Fast Moon Media. Ciao!